Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. And today we're diving into the critical yet often overlooked aspect of implementing a computerized maintenance management system, more commonly known as a CMMS. We will be exploring why it's crucial to get management on board and how to effectively do so. You'll learn about the gradual crawl, walk, then run mentality, and why it can make the implementation smoother. We will also discuss the significance of a well-planned strategy and continuous communication in this process. So let's get started. Let's dive into the world of computerized maintenance management system implementation. This process can be tricky, and one crucial factor that often gets overlooked is getting management on board. Surprisingly, this is considered one of the most important aspects of implementation. But why? Well, it's not always easy to justify maintenance costs to managers who may not immediately see the value of computerized maintenance management system software. So how can we get management on board? Let's explore some strategies. First up, we have the crawl, walk, then run mentality. This is a gradual implementation strategy that starts small with a computerized maintenance management system, rather than converting an entire facility at once. This approach serves two important purposes. Firstly, it makes the overall implementation process smoother, allowing you to work through any teething problems in a smaller, more manageable area. But more importantly, starting small allows you to demonstrate the value of the computerized maintenance management system to managers, making it easier to get them on board. Next, we need to plan everything out. Managers are less likely to buy into a half-baked computerized maintenance management system implementation scheme. They want to know that their budget is being used effectively. So, for computerized maintenance management system implementation, it's crucial to create an in-depth budget plan, an implementation timeline, intended maintenance strategies, planned failure codes, and a host of other elements. The key here is to provide a detailed and comprehensive plan for your computerized maintenance management system implementation. This will help managers understand exactly what they are buying into and why it's worth it. Finally, remember that communication is key. Getting buy-in is not a one-time event. A manager may initially approve a computerized maintenance management system, but their opinion could change based on how they perceive the process to be going. Therefore, it's crucial to constantly communicate status updates, not only to managers, but to everyone involved with the computerized maintenance management system implementation. This could take many forms. Maybe there's a weekly progress meeting, or a series of constantly updated graphs that show implementation percentages by area. Depending on the manager's level, different meetings with different information might be necessary. For instance, area-level managers probably don't need to see as much of the high-end budget information as facility managers. Remember, just like a computerized maintenance management system increases the communication between your assets and maintenance team, you need to keep those same channels open between your team and your managers. So there you have it. With the right approach, getting management on board for a computerized maintenance management system implementation is not only possible, but it can also be a smooth and rewarding process. And that wraps up today's video. We've covered the importance of getting management on board for computerized maintenance management system implementation, the crawl, walk, then run strategy, the significance of a well-planned strategy, and the need for continuous communication. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips. For more resources and information, please visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you further enhance your maintenance and operation strategies.